Yeah, can you please tell me what is your name, from on which date you have interview, what is the interview you are appearing, what is your qualification?
Sir, I'm appearing for RBPS RRB Scale 2 interview, which is on 8th November.
हाँ जी,
Sir,
बोलिए किधर?
yes, sir, I'm appearing for RRB Scale 2 interview.
IB, RBI scale to no, IB,
RRB, yes, RRB Scale 2.
RRB scale, हाँ जी. At, which place is your interview? किधर interview है आपका?
So my interview is on 8th November, Patna.
But I just want to know from which state you are coming. Good,
Bihar, sir, Bihar.
very good. Bihar.
Yes, sir.
Good. Can you please आपका बारे में बता दीजिए, हिंदी में बोलिए, कोई बात नहीं, आप हिंदी में बोल दीजिए, आपका बारे में बता दीजिए.
So can I continue in English?
No problem, absolutely no problem. I thought you'll be comfortable in Hindi, that's why I told you. But if you are comfortable in English, you can talk in English. Please tell me about 1 minute. Let me start recording it. It is being recorded. Please tell me about yourself.
My name is Shan Shikha. I am from Patna, Bihar. I have completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from NIST Berhampur. I am very sincere and hardworking girl. My hobbies are listening music and writing poems. My strength is I put all my efforts for the assigned task in the given span in the best possible way. Currently, I am working as an assistant manager in IDBI Bank Sitamarhi branch.
Oh, good. You are working in IDBI Bank as assistant manager or assistant, that is executive assistant.
Assistant manager, sir.
Acha. Oh, good, good, good. You are working as assistant manager in IDBI Bank since when?
Since 2020, December 20.
अच्छा, गुड. तब तो अभी दिसंबर आने से आपको 3 साल हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
गुड. सो आप ईसीई पढ़ने का बाद में क्यों बैंकिंग में आया? इधर आने के बाद में आपने जेएआईबी कुछ पास किया है?
No, sir, I didn't pass GIB right now.
Why have you not studied? Because you have taken banking as your profession, and JAB, CAB qualification, I think they give you increment for that or not in your bank.
Yes, sir, they give increments, sir.
Then why did you not study? Tell me. Doesn't matter. Now, what is your father?
My father is a businessman.
Sir? What is the business he is doing?
Sir, he runs a small business. He has a small shop in Patna only.
See, आपने तो एक दो सेंटेंस बता दिया, लेकिन आपने तो कुछ नहीं बताया हम. My father is running a small shops. Is running a shop. A क्या है? You must tell what is the business he is doing. He is dealing in groceries. He is dealing in stationery. He is
General,
dealing in, pardon?
yes, sir. Sir. He is dealing in general store.
General stores.
He
अच्छा,
is in general store. Yes, sir.
very, very good. Excellent. Is he running it himself or some people are working in his shop?
He is running himself, and my mother is also involved in that.
Don't say involved. My mother is also helping.
Helping in that. Okay, sir.
अगर involved का मतलब involved is normally a negative term. समझ
Okay.
गए आप?
Okay.
आप तो जानते
Okay.
हैं, you are assistant manager. You must be
Okay.
knowing it. Assist, Shikha, please tell me आपका काम क्या है? Mainly, what is it you are doing in your bank?
In my bank, sir. In my bank, sir, I'm doing my day-to-day operational activities like RTGS, NEFT, DD transfer, and gold loan FDOD, and daily reports I'm taking. That's all, sir.
Acha, good. Do you do some marketing activities also, or it is not required that for you to canvas marketing products?
We used to do marketing activities in the bank itself. We used to sell the products like LIC, Niva Bupa. In the bank itself, when the customers come, we pitch the product in the bank itself. We don't go outside, sir.
अच्छा, ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट इज योर नॉर्मल ऑफिस डे? कितना बजे आएंगे, कितना बजे से कितना बजे तक काम करेंगे, कैसा मपी काम करेंगे, बता दीजिए।
Yes, so normally I go bank at 9:30 a.m. and returns back at 7:30 or 8 p.m.
अच्छा, हाउ फार इज योर ऑफिस फ्रॉम योर हाउस?
Sir, 10 minutes.
Oh, so you have taken a residence nearby your branch, correct?
Yes, I have taken residence nearby my branch.
What is the name of the branch?
Sitamarhi branch, IDBI Bank
In Bihar.
in Bihar.
Yeah. So can you tell me what is the total business of your branch?
Yes, sir. Total deposit is approx 50 crore and
Hmm.
total it is approx 16 to 18 crore.
Hmm. What is the
Yes, sir.
NP? What is the GNPA of your office?
About 1%, sir.
Oh, about 1% is your
Yes, sir.
mm, total NPA. Very good. So what are the major advances you are giving?
Vehicle loan,
Hmm.
uh, home loan.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. And gold loan, FDOD,
Hmm.
and yes,
Out of these, I think you are taking care of MDOD only, correct?
and gold loan, FDOD and gold loan.
Gold loan only. Gold loan may what are the precautions you take while giving gold loan? What is the maximum amount of gold loan account you have given? Amount wise.
So about 10 lakh.
10 lakhs. Oh बाबा, इतना बड़ा ज्वेल्स, इतना ज्यादा ज्वेल्स दिया है. Good.
Yes.
अच्छा, what are the precautions you take before giving loan?
So before giving loan, I first call the appraisal. In front of
Hmm.
appraisal only, I pack the jewelries and appraisal. When appraisal sign on the packet, then only and taking the customer sign only. I I keep the jewelry in the safe
Hmm.
and I take signature on all the papers explaining the customer about the interest rate, card rate, and all.
Hmm.
Then after that, customer can't say that he or she is not unable is unable to know about the interest rate, and if
Hmm.
or she he or she know about don't know English because our paper was all in English. So I
Hmm.
took declaration from another customer as a witness who signed as a witness in the paper so that he could know what are the interest rates so
Oh,
that
good.
after can't
That
claim.
is that is a good, very good. Now you are in a village branch. Are you giving Kisan credit cards?
No, sir, our bank doesn't give Kisan credit card.
Why are you not? Your village, your office is in a village or semi-urban place.
Only urban, sir.
Oh, that is the reason. Semi-urban. So that
Yes,
means you are giving car loan and housing loan.
yes, sir.
So before processing housing loan, what are the documents we should take? How we should process a housing loan proposal?
Sir, ID proof, address proof, duly filled application form we will take. After that, CIBIL score we will check. After that, we will
CIBIL
check
score, how much is required for CIBIL score?
more the CIBIL score, lower will be the interest rate. I think so.
What is the, supposing
Minimum
if the CIBIL score is so much, I will not give loan. What is that amount? What is that
seven
number?
seven
Number
hundred 700.
700 का कम होने से नहीं कंसिडर करेंगे, करेक्ट?
Yes, yes, sir.
ओके. टेल मी.
Yes, sir. After that, after CIBIL score, we'll check last 3 months ITR filing, ITR application filing.
गुड.
After that, income proof. After that, after income proof, we will take mortgage.
उसका पहले आपने तो डॉक्यूमेंट्स मंगाना है, डॉक्यूमेंट्स को टाइटल डीड वेरीफाई करना है, ये सब
Title deed.
करना पड़ेगा ना, ये सब क्यों भूल गया आपने? देन
That
प्रॉपर्टी को एवेल्युएशन करना है, वो तो इंजीनियर को काम देना है, ये सब
yes.
बोलना है. बोलो
Okay,
सर,
okay.
प्रॉपरली बोलो.
Okay, sir.
अभी यू टेल फ्रॉम से सिबिल स्कोर, उधर का बात में कंटिन्यू कर लीजिए.
Okay. After civil,
केवाईसी, आपने खाली केवाईसी कंप्लीट किया, सिबिल स्कोर देखा, और कोई नहीं देखा अभी तक. बाकी सब क्या क्या करेंगे वो बता दी.
अच्छा. After that, engineer visits the place. After that, we'll take 3 years ITR filing.
हम्म. हम्म.
Sir, actually, I have not done housing loan, so I don't know much about this, sir.
Okay, but you can't tell like this. It is better. Your interview is only on 7th, na?
Yes, eighth.
8th. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 days time is there. Why don't you
Yes.
talk to your loan officer and get to know? You
Okay,
must
sir.
know. You must know about housing loan, product loans, like say your auto loan, vehicle loan. ये सब को आपको पक्का जानना जरूरी है.
Okay, sir. I'll
Can
ask
you,
them.
yeah, can you tell me what is mortgage?
Mortgage is a type of mortgage we take when the securities when the any land is purchased as a security to secure the loan, which is in the position of borrower.
Hmm. Not land, building, land and building.
Land and building.
या हाउसिंग लोन देने से तो हाउसिंग का डॉक्यूमेंट आपका पास प्लेज हो जाएगा. वो
Hmm.
उसके बारे में इक्विटेबल मॉर्गेज बोलते हैं, वो करना पड़ेगा. ये सब जानना जरूरी है. आपको प्लेज हाइपोथिकेशन का फर्क जानते हैं?
Yes, sir.
बोलिए.
In pledge, we kept the security collateral as a security as to secure the loan with ourselves. Like in gold, we take the pledge, and in hypothecation, the property or the property we position is in the hand of borrower itself. Means we can't
एग्जाम्पल.
examples are vehicle loan. In case of
राइट.
hypothecation, it's
सुपर.
vehicle loan, and in case
सुपर.
of pledge, it's a gold loan.
Super. I am happy you are telling correctly. Very happy.
Yes.
Can you tell me what is the in your branch? Are you dealing with debit card, credit cards?
Yes, sir.
क्रेडिट कार्ड भी डील करते हैं नहीं?
Yes, sir. We are dealing with credit cards. I have given 2 to 3 credit cards also, sir.
अच्छा. Of course the decision will be done by your credit card office, not by you. आपने
No,
खाली पेपर
processing.
भेजेगा. हाँ.
We will be processing credit card. After that, credit card will come from the home office.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Processing is done here only, sir.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा जी. What is the difference between credit card and debit card as a customer?
In credit card, we give some limit. We give some limit or extent to which the customer can use the money. After that, some interest is levied on that, which has to be paid by the customer. But in case of debit card, whatever amount customer has in his account, he or she can use that.
Good. So good point. Now, do you use mobile apps also for making payments, or you are using your bank debit, your bank app only?
I'm using my bank apps also, and other apps also.
What are the other apps you are using?
Paytm, Google Pay, and all. Phone Pay.
Acha,
That's
all the three you are using.
yes.
Oh,
Now I'm Paytm. Earlier I was using Google Pay. After before you, I was using Phone Pay.
oh,
So with all the
ve-
three apps.
very good. But what is your experience? Is it easy to use these apps or your bank mobile app?
I think my mobile banking app
Your
because
mobile.
payment get
Mm.
stuck in mobile banking, and if it gets stuck, it is easier to recover also.
Oh,
unlike the Google Pay and Phone Pay and Paytm.
I am using only Google Pay and Phone Pay. I don't find any problem in this so far.
So
Lekin I find it difficult to go to my bank app. My bank app means I have to give login ID, login password, उसका बाद में transaction password, then some OTP has to be given. अरे बाबा इतना लंबा प्रोसीजर है.
in my mobile banking app now we have to give only the login password only. After that, soft token is generated and the payment is made.
अच्छा, there is no need
Yes.
for any transaction password and all.
No, no sir. No OTP, no transaction password.
Oh, very good.
Only mobile MPIN we need to log in into mobile banking. After
Hmm.
that, a soft token is generated and payment is made.
Excellent. Can you tell me what is a lead bank and where it is used?
The lead bank concept came in 1969 and it is used in every district to make a lead bank. For example, some bank is made as a lead bank to process the credit flow in that particular area, so that every sector is to be touched in that particular area. Some bank is made as a lead bank in that
Mhm.
district.
What is the lead bank of your district?
Bank of Baroda.
Mhm. Good. Have you heard of, say, government schemes for farmers? What are the schemes with which you are familiar?
Yes, sir. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana,
Hmm. It is for
and
what? It
it
is
is
for.
for crop cultivation.
Hmm. It is for what? It is for.
Cultivation of crops.
नो नो नो, ऐसा बोलने से माइनस मार्क मिलेगा. फसल बीमा योजना is an insurance scheme for farmers to give them, to cover the risk in the case of drought or excess floods and loss of crops. समझ गया?
O- Okay, sir, I got it.
ये सब थोड़ा पढ़ना है. पढ़ के
Okay,
मन
sir.
में रख. फसल
Okay.
बीमा योजना. Do you know about PM Samman Nidhi scheme for farmers?
Sorry, sir.
You don't know?
No, sir.
Samman Nidhi scheme is the scheme by which farmers are given 2000 rupees every 4 months, and in a year 6000 rupees. I don't know in Bihar how much they are giving. Bihar government, are they giving something extra for farmers?
2000 only, sir.
No, no.
In
Because
but
in many other states like Andhra Pradesh, say Tamil Nadu and all, they give some extra money, 4000 or so.
no, sir.
Bihar.
On 2000 only came. They always used to ask me whether 2000 came or not. So I know the amount
Acha,
2000.
acha. Oh, very good. That is why you know. Very happy. Very good. How many farmers accounts are there in your office?
Sir, village in we are in actual town city, so there are about, we can say, 100 plus farmers account we have.
Mhm. Good. Very good. You are answering nicely. But आपको rural, you are working in RR, you are working in IDBI.
Yes,
इसलिए
sir.
आपको रूरल ब्रांच का काम सब नहीं जानते हैं. रूरल ब्रांच का वर्क का ये सब नहीं बोलने पाते हैं. किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड is very important. You must know. You must
Yes.
also know what are the other loans that RRB. You better go to your bank RRB. What is your first preference RRB?
Dakshin Bihar Gramin Bank.
उसका अंदर में जाके उनका वेबसाइट का अंदर में जाके क्या क्या लोन दे रहा है, वो लेन को क्या क्या कंडीशंस है, टर्म्स एंड
Mm.
कंडीशंस, ये सब जानना जरूरी है.
Okay, sir.
Which is the largest crop produced in India?
Wheat,
Wheat
sugarcane,
or wheat or paddy? Hmm?
paddy.
I am asking. Um, in India, what I am asking, let me see what grain. It is telling what is the largest production crop in India. It is told as rice.
Rice. Okay.
Rice is a crop major this thing. But you are in Bihar. Bihar में आपको wheat भी गांव भी आता है,
Yes.
गांव भी बना रहे हैं?
Wheat is the largest. Actually, sugarcane is the largest production in India, and after that, wheat is
Hmm.
also in the
Wheat is second most.
second most. Yes, sir.
Second
First most
most. First is
sugarcane.
rice. Rice. No, no. But sugar cane is a cash crop. It
Cash
is
crop.
not.
Yes,
It's
Bihar
not a
and
grain. Yeah. What are the other cash crops? You know. Hello.
Hmm.
What are the other
Yes, sir.
cash crops? You know.
Yes, sir.
Tea,
Sugarcane.
tea, coffee.
Tea,
Ah,
coffee. Yes,
yeah.
sir. Tea.
Tea, coffee, cotton.
Yes, sir.
You can tell about cotton also.
Cotton. Okay, sir.
Do you know something about NPA and IRC norms?
So, NP is a non-performing asset in which the interest or principal remain overdue for more than 90 days.
In the case of agricultural loan,
Agricultural short term, two crop season for short term, and one crop season for long term
that is amount overdue for 2 crop seasons from the due date.
from the due date.
Yeah, correct. Good point. You told nicely. What is SMA special mention account? Hmm.
SMA.
SMA स्पेशल मेंशन अकाउंट थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए बाद में, प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए.
SMA.
You
Okay,
must
sir.
know. You must know standard account, substandard account. उसका
Doubtful.
पहले SMA 1, SMA 0,
Standard.
SMA 1 and 2, then doubtful 1, 2, 3, then loss assess. ये सब अपना जानना जरूरी है.
Actually, sir, I know standard, substandard, and doubtful asset. But when you say SMA, I got confused, sir. Can I tell sir about substandard, standard?
Substandard का डिविजन बता दीजिए क्या क्या है.
Substandard, if more than 12 months and less than 24 months,
Hmm.
comes under substandard asset.
Hmm.
Three types: SMA 0, SMA 1, SMA 2.
Hmm. What is SMA 0?
For 12 months to 18
No,
months.
no, 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 no. I don't think so. I think
Okay, sir.
SMA 0 is for 0 to 30 days. SMA 1 is 31 to 60 days. SMA 2 is SMA 61 to 90.
Okay, sir. I'll study once more, sir.
Please study about that. Good.
Okay.
If you become a branch manager
Yes,
and
sir.
a farmer approaches you for tractor loan, how will you consider? Mm,
What steps I will take to avail the loan?
What are the formalities? Of course, you can't tell me you don't know. No problem. Please tell me what is the difference between NBFC and RRBs.
And BFC is non-banking financial companies, which is registered under Companies Act 1956,
Mm,
and it it is unable to accept the deposits.
mm,
So RRB, and it is not for priority sector group, means it is not lending for agriculture and all.
mm,
But RRB is specified to only RRB is specified to agriculture and allied activities,
mm,
and it is a proper bank, means it accepts a lens as
mm,
well.
mm.
Yes, sir.
Not bad, but फिर भी अब ठीक से नहीं बताया. NBFCs are registered under by Companies Act.
Yes, sir.
RRB is registered as a Banking Regulation
Regulation
Act.
1949. Yes, sir.
Yeah, and the NBFCs cannot take demand deposits. They cannot participate in payment systems, whereas
Yes.
RRBs can open current account, savings account. They also participate in payment system.
Mm.
However, NBFCs can accept fixed deposits, time deposits.
Yes, sir.
Some 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 NBFCs do not accept deposits. The deposits with RRBs are guaranteed up to 5 lakhs by DICGC,
Yes, CGC.
whereas NBFC deposits are not guaranteed by DICGC. So these points you have to tell. Understand? Yeah. What for your native place is famous?
Sir, my native place is Patna, and it is it is the growth of two religions, Jainism and Buddhism. It is also famous for Nalanda University, the oldest university, and is also famous for Chhat Puja. And yes, sir.
Please tell me about BSBDA.
Sir, BS,
BSBD. Hmm.
yes, basic saving BSBDA.
Hmm. बेसिक उसका बारे में कुछ बताइए.
So it is a small account
Hmm.
which can be opened with means full KYC is not required to open BCBDA BSBDA account.
नहीं नहीं wrong. Basic savings bank deposit account के लिए full KYC is required only for small account. The KYC is waived and a time limit of 1 year is granted, within
Guarantee.
which the party has to bring the proof, otherwise he has to show the proof he has applied.
Small
Understand?
account is under BSBDA only, sir. No?
BSBD. अच्छा अच्छा. Oh, basic small bank. अच्छा अच्छा. Basic. No, basic savings bank के लिए I told only basic savings bank. 1 minute. BSBDA means what? BSBDA means basic savings bank deposit account. Is a savings bank account, does not have minimum balance. That is the only condition. The
Okay.
BSBDA has a maximum account balance that has to be maintained. BSBDA will get ATM card and all that. But what you are telling is small account. It is known as
Account.
it is not known as BSBDA. It is known as small account.
Okay. In BSBDA, minimum limit is there is no minimum limit to maintain in the account, na?
Yeah, that is the only advantage.
Okay.
What is meant by financial inclusion?
So financial inclusion is a flagship program launched by Government of India to reach to all the citizens of the country,
Mm,
especially small and marginal farmers, small underprivileged people, to provide the banking access to all the countries through Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Suraksha Bima Yojana,
mm,
and Jan Dhan Yojana, so
mm.
that all the people can access to the banking services in the country.
Good. You are answering very well. Are you married?
Yes, sir.
Married.
Yes, sir.
What is your husband doing?
My husband is a teacher. He runs an institute, sir. He is preparing for UPSC also.
Acha. Oh, he is coaching others for UPSC.
Yes, sir.
Oh, in which place? In Patna?
Patna only, sir.
Patna. Acha. Good.
Yes.
What is the name of the institute?
Sir, sir, he teaches in a small, sir, like home tuitions only, sir.
But you told
Actually, he's
IA.
preparing for
But you told
UPSC.
you
He is
told
preparing
UP.
for UPSC, sir.
He is preparing for UPSC home tuition.
He
ये तो
gives home tuitions.
अच्छा. Okay. Which subject is he teaching?
Sir, he teaches class 10th to 12th students and he is preparing for UPSC. He's not
ऐसा
teaching for UPSC, sir.
आपने जो बोला पहले हमने सुना है इज टीचिंग,
He is teaching to class 10th and 12th
बट
students, but he is preparing for UPSC
ये
himself.
अच्छा ये इज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर यूपीएससी, गुड गुड.
I think I told you he is preparing for UPSC himself.
अच्छा,
He's
what is
not
the degree? What is the degree he has studied?
So his master's in environmental
Engineering.
science.
Mhm.
Environmental science, sir.
Environmental science. Very good.
Yes,
Good. Otherwise, you are answering very well. Can you tell me current affair news?
yes, sir, I'll try.
Mm.
Any random news, sir?
Yeah, you tell me anything, or tell me what is the news in Nepal.
About in Nepal, about what, sir? Means I didn't get it, sir.
That means you are not reading newspaper. Are you reading newspaper?
No, sir.
That is the reason. You must read newspaper. Then only you can answer these questions.
Okay, sir.
नेपाल में अभी there was a earthquake, 158 people died.
Okay, I thought you are talking about earthquake only because we also felt earthquake in Sitamarhi also because it is very much it is border about Nepal only. Nepal only, but I was not sure that you are talking about earthquake. I thought you are talking about some other news.
Yeah. Anyhow,
I
please go
I
through
also
paper, and prepare. Otherwise, you are doing very well. Best
yes.
wishes. God bless you. Attend
Thank
the
you.
interview and send the questions they are asking.
Okay, sir, definitely, sir.
Thank you. You did well. You
Thank you,
did
sir.
well. I am happy. But only point is that you don't know advances. That is the thing. That's a negative point. But I don't know how you are going to solve it. It doesn't matter. Let us hope they will ask only deposit and they will select you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.